How to set up password. The initial password is for 0. Turn the knob to open position. Turn the back block to B position. Turn the code wheel to set up new password, like for night. Turn the back block to a position. Turn the knob to close position. New password set up. Mess up the code wheel to avoid next user to know your password. We found the password. Use key to open the lock. Press the back button with your left hand, one by one. Meanwhile, turn code wheel until it's not able to turn. Back button goes deepest, means correct password. Find password of for night. Turn key to close position and pull out. Previous password was found.